All right, let's look at the markets. Dow Jones gap down and closed down about 100 and I think 177, 175 or something like that, but cleared this low, this Monday low. So definitely would have some type of caution, excuse me, and it's under the 10, so I'm not looking to go long on anything. And quite honestly, it's just this 50 right here that you really, you could say, okay, is it moving below this or maybe this level, and you could say that between here, and if I create another line, maybe in here, maybe this is going to be support. Who knows? But at the end of the day, it's lower highs, and I don't trade stuff like this to the long side if I see stuff like this going on. So you just need to be cautious. Not saying that it's completely bearish, but it's definitely a reason to be cautious. And you're now below the 10 on the weekly as well. So we had the sideways movement that we were talking about. It didn't pop above these levels. So right now we have to see if this next pivot point is going to be some type of support, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm not going to guess what's going to happen. That's a sucker's game. We'll just react and see what's going on from there. SPY, the weekly, is down to the 10, but still doesn't look as sick. It did around these levels, around this 182 to this 180 level is going to be some type of support, but we shall see if it holds and continues up. But it does have some high volume with a hammer type of formation, but still needs to clear above this 184 level, 185 level to really get attracted. QQQ look really good. It actually gave a run back. If you look at maybe if you look at the 30-minute, you can see that it did gap down, but then came all the way back up and pretty much closed near the open of the day. So that's something to keeps consideration. The Russell again still holding the 10, so it just could be some type of retracement. It doesn't mean that it's hell on high water, that it's just broken down, but these patterns look a lot better than the Dow Jones pattern, which you could see from here. So you have this top here, another one, and now breaking down below these previous levels as well. So we really want to see what happens with that regarding indexes. We had Netflix, huge day up. We'll see if it continues, if it can break above the high of 395.63 and continue to the upside. And that was from earnings. So congratulations if you gambled on that one, because you did gamble, and it's fine as long as you manage risk or play with an amount that pretty much meets your risk parameters. Earnings plays are definitely gamble if you're holding in. If you're trend following, meaning that you're looking more on just a long-term type of time frame, that might be something that you've baked into your trading strategy. Priceline still looks good. See if it can get above this 1208 level. That looks good as well. Amgen actually gave a good day, so if it could break above the high of 124.46, that would be a good thing. Apple closed actually pretty good. It looked like it was going down, and if it could get over this 560 area, that definitely could be something that could definitely look interesting. I got to really check on what the earnings are next, but we shall see. Plug continued going down. It pretty much straight sideways, and now it's breaking down. So be careful with that. So maybe it filled this gap, and is this level going to hold? I don't know, but I wouldn't be trading this, buying long right here, right now. That's just not what I do. But it is what it is. Twitter still just sideways, needs to get above this 65 level to really get of interest. Google considering the day didn't do that bad at all, not even down 0.5%, so that looks pretty good as well. Bank of America, that one doesn't look good, but it still needs to, it needs to get above this. You see the uptrend is pretty much in place, so you can see it from here. Let's do from right here. Let's see how this goes. But it still looks good on the weekly. Oops, wrong symbol. Bank of America on the weekly, but on the daily, it definitely something that you would just say not right here, right now. Citigroup flush down today, over 2% to the downside. Goldman Sachs again at this levels, these previous levels right here. So maybe it's going to hold. Maybe this was a target, but again, you see the low highs in place, so I wouldn't be looking to go long that. You have Wells Fargo. kind of held the 10, which is a good thing. Just needs to recapture above this 46.83 level. And Prudential, that one broke down as well. So you definitely see that this banking sector is something that really is not looking good right here, right now. So that's something to keep your eye out for. Solar City again, still holding this level, this line in the sand for now, and we'll see. But you could definitely see that the lower highs are in place. So we'll kind of go from there. And again, leave a comment if there's a symbol that you like to see. Let me know, and we'll trade them well. Take care.